12th one. A triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribe a circle of radius 4 cm such that the segments BD and DC, into which BC is divided by the point of contact D, are of length 8 and 6 respectively. Then find the sides AB and AC. So this one is D. Now what is given there? So figure is given in the textbook. So only thing extra you have to do is join OE and OF and join this one so that you will get 3 triangles also. Okay, now CD and CF both are equal, so if it is 6, this also will be 6. BD and BE are equal, so if it is 8, this also will be 8. We don't know about AE, so let us mark that one X and AF also as X, because they are the tangents from same point A. Okay, so CD is equal to CF, that is equal to 6 centimeter. Then B equal to AE, B equal to BD 8 centimeter, A equal to AF is equal to X. Okay, now what is BC? BC is equal to 6 plus 8, this side 14. Now what is AB? AB is equal to X plus 8, X plus 8. What is AC? AC is equal to X plus 6. Now we are using here the Heron's formula to find out the area of this triangle ABC. Our aim is to find only X, but it is a lengthy procedure. So first you have to find out area using Heron's formula. That is 3 sides are given there. These 3 sides are given there. How will you find area? S you have to find out. S is equal to these 3 sides divided by 2. So 14 plus X plus 8 plus X plus 6 divided by 2. That is 14 plus 14. That is 28 plus 2x, so divided by 2, so it will be 14 plus x you will get. Okay, now S is equal to this one. What is how to find out the area? S into S minus A, that is first one, and S minus B into S minus C. Okay, last year we have learned that one. So our S is equal to 14 plus X into 14 plus X minus 14, then 14 plus X minus X minus 8, then 14 plus X minus X minus 6, so it will be root of 14 plus X. Here it will come X, 14 will get cancelled, 14 minus X will get cancelled, 14 minus 8, that is 6 you will get. Here x will get cancelled, 14 minus 6, 8 you will get. So you will get 48 root of 48 x into 14 plus x. Okay, this side. Now you have to calculate the area of these three small triangles, that is COB, BOC, BOA, AOC. How? By using half base into altitude, because our aim is to get this x. Okay, now triangle, area of triangle BOC, that is equal to, what is the area of triangle BOC? Half of base, that is 14 into 4. That radius will be perpendicular to this one. So half, 6 plus 8, 14 into 4 you will get. Like that, what will here will come, x plus 8 into 4, half of x plus 8 into 4. Here it will come half of 6 plus x into 4. Now area of triangle AOB will be equal to half of 8 plus x into 4. Now area of triangle AOC will be equal to half of 6 plus x into 4. Now altogether area of ABC, triangle ABC will be equal to half of, 4 is common there, so that 4 also you can take outside, 14 into 8 plus x into 6 plus x. Okay, so both the triangle, the same triangle we are talking about. First we got the 48x into 14 plus x. Here we got this one. So now you can equate that one, root of 48x into 14 plus x will be equal to half of 4 into 14 into, so this one you can expand this, half you can cancel, 2, 14 into 1 by 2 into 4, that is common, then you add that one. Sorry, I just said multiplication, no, it is addition. So 14 plus 8 plus x plus 6 plus x, so it will be half of 4, that is 2 into 14 plus 14, that is 8 plus 6, then 2x. Okay, so it will be 14 plus 14, 28, then 2, so or you can take that 2 outside. So 2 into 2 into 14 plus x you will get, so that we can cancel something here. Okay, so here 48x into 14 plus x, that is in root sign, so square to avoid that root. So you will get 48x into 14 plus x is equal to 4, that is square 16 14 plus x the whole square. So 114 plus x you can cancel. 48x equal to 16 into 14 plus x, you divide this with 16, so 3x is equal to 14 plus x, or 3x minus x is equal to 14, or 2x is equal to 14, or x is equal to 14 divided by 2, 7 you will get. If we are getting 7, AB and AB will be equal to 7 plus 8 and AC will be equal to 7 plus 6. So 15 and 13 you will get. That is the only thing you have to do. Now how we have solved, it is a lengthy problem. So here also first we started with sides, that is the property from one point to tangent from the same points will be equal, then moved by Heron's formula, the area you find out, then individually the small areas of triangle you find out, equated that to, then solved and got that AB and AC. Okay. Now 13th one, prove that opposite sides of quadrilateral circumscribing a circle subtend supplementary angle at the center of the circle. Now look at this one, PA and PD are equal, no, the same tangents. So before that we discussed when that one, these two triangles will be congruent. So 1 and 8, angle 1 and that in detail you don't have to write. So write angle 1 is equal to 8, then 2 equal to 3, angle 2 equal to angle 3, then 4 equal to 5, then 6 equal to 7. Okay. Now we know that in a circle all the angles together will be 360. That is angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 6 then 7 8 together will be 360. But here 1 is equal to 8, so instead of 1 you can write 8 itself, 2 equal to 3, then 4 equal to 5, like that it is, you are getting that one. So it will be 1 2 3 4 if you are taking angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6, that is equal to 360 divided by 2, that is equal to 180. That means this angles together will be, all together will be 360 divided by 2, that is equal to 180. So that is quadrilateral, opposite sides of quadrilateral, that is when you are taking opposite sides of quadrilateral, their angles will be together, it will come 180 only. Okay.